across some MCQs in competitive exams where we need to choose a prime number. So I am here to discuss a trick with which we can check whether the given number is prime or not just in 5 seconds, friends. But before going to the trick, let's recall 1 to 100 primes what we have on the board, friends. So at least we must remember these 25 primes to check whether the given numbers are prime or not. Ready for this, friends? So let us start. So the number given to us is 113. In this we follow 4 steps to decide whether this number is prime or not, friends. So first step, what is the square number nearer to this and more than this, friends? That is nothing but 121. So first step, what is it, friends? What is the square number nearer to this and more than this? Nothing but 121. Second step, what is the square root of this, friends? It's nothing but 11. Next, third step, what are the prime numbers less than this 11? We have here, friends, 2, 3, 5, 7. Let us write those. 2, 3, 5, 7. Step 4, check whether this number is divisible by these prime numbers or not. Okay, friends? So let us check. So since this is an odd number, it is not divisible by 2. Next, 1 plus 1, 2. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 is not divisible by 3. 5. Since this number does not contain 0 or 5 in its last digit, this number is also not divisible by 5. Next, let us check with 7. So take the last digit, double it. 3 to 6. 11 minus 6, 5. 5 is not divisible by 7. In this way, this number is not divisible by any of the primes which are less than 11. Therefore, we can say 113 is a prime number. So with the 4 steps, we can decide whether this number is prime or not, friends. Let us go for one more example. So 223. So we are going to check whether this is prime or not. So for what is the first step, friends? What is the square number nearer to this and more than this? That is nothing but 225. Second step, what is the square root? It's nothing but 15. Third step, what are the primes less than this 15? So we have 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Fourth step, check whether this number is divisible by these primes or not. So since this is odd, it is not divisible by 2. Next, 2 plus 2, 4, 4 plus 3, 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. And this number does not contain 0 or 5, so it is not divisible by 5. Next, 7. Take last digit, double it, 6. 22 minus 6, 16. 16 is not divisible by 7. Next with 11. Alternative digits, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 minus 2, 3. 3 is not divisible by 11. With 13. Last digit, into 4. How much, friends? 12. 12 plus 22, 34. 34 is also not divisible by 13. Therefore, this number is not divisible by any of the primes which are less than 15. Therefore, what I can say, friends? 223 is a prime number. Okay, friends? Now let us go for one more example and check whether this is prime or not with our 4 steps. So what is the square number? First step, square number near to this and more than this, 324. Second step, what is the square root, friends? 18. Third step, what are the primes less than 18? 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13 and 17. And fourth step, check whether this number is divisible by these primes or not. Odd number, so 2 is not divisible. With 2 it is not divisible. 3 plus 1, 4, 4 plus 9, 13. 13 is not divisible by 3. 5, there is no 0 or 5 in the last digit, so it is not divisible by 5. 7, double it, 9 to 18, 31 minus 18, 13. 13 is not divisible by 7, 11. 3 plus 9, 12. 12 minus 1, 11. 11 is divisible by 11. Therefore, since it is divisible by one of the prime numbers, we can say that 319 is not a prime. So in this way, we can check whether the given number is prime or not using this trick, friends. Hope you understood this trick. But if the numbers are large, that is beyond this prime factors, then how to find whether that is prime or not, friends? That I will be doing in the next trick to come, friends. So if you want to learn the trick, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much, friends.